Set up tax presets in YoPrint. Learn to add and configure custom tax presets for your organization. Start by clicking Settings under the Configuration tab in your dashboard. Select Tax Presets from the sidebar to manage or create preset tax configurations. Click the plus Tax Preset button to start creating a new tax preset. Enter a name for your tax preset. Set the tax percentage. Use the toggles to choose how you want to proceed with your tax settings. For example, you can choose to calculate taxes either before or after discounts are applied. Typically, taxes are calculated after discounts have been applied. You can also set this tax preset as a default. Click Save to create your new tax preset with the selected settings. You can also set up a multi-line tax rate configuration. For example, in Canada, there is GST, PST, and HST, where this can be useful. Let's look at an example. In the Tax Presets page, click on Plus Tax Preset. Choose Multi-Line Tax for your new tax preset. Enter the name and configure the multi-line tax preset. In the province of Manitoba, there's a 5% GST and a 7% PST. We can use this scenario as our example. To set this up, enter the GST rate as your first tax line. Click plus Add Breakdown. Configure the PST rate as your second tax line. Specify your toggles and click the Save button to store your new multi-line tax preset. Now, let's learn how to apply a tax preset to a sales order. Navigate to the Sales Orders page. Double-click to open a sales order. Taxes are calculated after the order is finalized. This means you will need to create your invoice first before the tax calculation takes place. Open the invoice for the sales order. Click Edit to modify the invoice details for the sales order. Click on the Tax Selection drop-down menu. Select the tax preset to apply to the sales order. Click the Save button to apply your changes to the sales order's tax settings. As soon as you hit Save, YoPrint will automatically calculate the tax for you. Pro tip: you can also specify the tax percentage directly without having to select a preset. For example, if you are shipping to Ontario, which has a 13% HST, you can select the manual tax percentage option and type 13 in the percentage field. YoPrint allows you to control tax settings on a per-line item basis. If a specific item is non-taxable, simply uncheck the box and the system will exclude tax for that item. Click the Save button to update the sales order with your changes. The tax details will automatically adjust. Last but not the least, let's learn how to tax-exempt a customer. Click on the customer from the sales order to view their profile and related details. Use the Tax Exempt switch to enable tax exemption for the customer. Your customer is now tax exempt. If you have any questions or run into issues, our support team is always here to help. Just send us an email. You can also find more resources in our Help Center. And if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, let us know. See you in the next one.